Hey everyone. If you want to enable developer mode in Chrome extensions in 2026 so you can install unpacked extensions, test tools, or access advanced features, this video is for you. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, open the extensions page inside Google Chrome. You can access it from the Chrome menu under Extensions arrow Manage Extensions. Next, look at the top right corner of the page. There you'll find the developer mode toggle. Now turn developer mode on. Once enabled, you'll see extra options like load unpacked, pack extension, and update. After that, you can use load unpacked if you want to install custom or local extensions. This is mainly used by developers or advanced users. Next, you can manually update extensions using the update option. This helps when automatic updates don't work properly. Now, be careful while using developer mode. It can allow experimental or unsafe extensions if you're not cautious. Finally, turn off developer mode when you're done. This helps keep your browser secure and stable. So yeah, that's how you enable developer mode in Chrome extensions in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll unlock advanced features safely. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Chrome tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone.